Hello, I am working on this VR project. I eventually want to have that TV in the corner have a remote, and I want to put the remote in one of these many drawers and shelves. So as you can see, there's shelves and drawers. Eventually, I will be able to have randomized spawn positions and have it all over the place, and then you have to go find it. For now, I'm actually working on a menu. I have this empty object here that has three scripts that drive the UIs. We have a pause menu, which has a couple buttons. Only the two top buttons have any function right now. I want to have the reset. It puts everything back and then rehides the remote, but we're not there yet. So these two top buttons have some function. The options menu, eventually I'll probably think of other things that need options, but right now it's just vignette intensity, which influences the tunneling vignette here on the main camera. And what that does is just block out the sides of your vision to keep you from feeling motion sick. The UIs here, this is what connects most of it. We have this XR pause menu script. This just takes the input action and then toggles the menu on and off. We also have this function right here that connects to the resume button. You can resume the game even without pressing the button. The input actions, I look up default XRI default input actions. This is where I added a pause. It connects to the menu of the left-hand Oculus Touch controller. We have the follow gaze smoothly script, which manages how the menu moves with the head. So it follows your gaze. So you're always kind of forced to look at it. You'll see that a little later. That applies to both the menus, which is why it's on the parent object. I did lock the Y. It will not go up and down. It'll only go left and right and face you. The last script on this is the navigator script. This is fairly simple. It just goes back and forth between options and pause, and that's connected to a couple buttons. So let's see it in action. So we are here in the game. You can't really interact with anything yet. You can open up a menu with a button that's right there. So we can go into the options menu, play with that. What's really lucky is that even though the game's paused, the vignette keeps moving if you press your stick. As you can see, the further up it goes, the less of an intensity it is, which I think is a little counterintuitive. I might fix that. I can't see anything here. I think right here is pretty comfortable. And then if I press the button while we're in the vignette intensity, it'll just close it. One other thing I like is the way that it follows the gaze. So the game's still paused, but it lags behind a little, and it stays vertical. That does it with both of these menus. So that's it so far, except for a doorway over there that I'm not quite ready to deal with, as you can probably see. So, thank you for watching.